Hello children, today we are going to write a new letter. Small cursive D. D says D. Drum. Now look carefully how we have to write the letter. We will start from the second blue line. We will go up slanting. Touch the first blue line. Then come back on the same line and make half a round. And then go up straight. Touch the red line. Come back on the same line. And a kick. Now once more, look carefully. We'll go up slanting. Touch the first blue line. Come back on the same line. Make half a round, then go up straight, touch the red line and come back on the same line and a kick. It's so easy. Happy learning.